Hi everyone, it's Bonnie. How are you? I am here today to share with you one of the new project kits that is coming in the Occasions 2018 catalog. Super cute birthday collection with its cute little box with dividers. There are 16 cards, 4 of each design, and I just started to create one of them. I happen to be on vacation, so my supplies are limited, so I wanted to share with you one of the tricks that I have. So this is the cute little box that it comes in. Super cute, right? And then you can see that it's hollow, so you can put the dividers that come in the kit. This is what they look like, so that you can add the months up on the top if you want, or you can leave them, they're already numbered, however you wish. But it is a great little birthday kit for you. And this is the first card that I pulled out to make. And when I went to make the banners on the ribbon, I was like, oh, that might be a really good quick video to share with you. Again, I'm limited on my supplies, so I'm putting my phone on the box. So you can see I have a very limited workspace. So this is the sentiment, and I did take from the Perennial Birthday stamp set. Oh, I can hold this up again. Hold on, before I show you. This is a really cute birthday set that is coming in the Occasions catalog, so you guys can see it. You probably can see me in the shadows too. But again, I'm gonna put this back on the box, and I stamped it already in the old olive, the birthday cheers all around. And when I got to the ribbon part, I cut my ribbon and then realized, let me just show you quickly how to get the banner points, turn the card upside down here, evenly. So you're gonna take your paper snips, which now mine are missing. They were just here. Ah, they're hiding. Okay. So this is the gold ribbon that's supplied in the kit. You're just gonna take your ribbon and you are going to fold it in half and pinch it. And then you're going to take your paper snips and on a diagonal, just cut from the bottom to the top, so that when you open it, you have an even banner. Now, I know in the past we have done this where you cut up the middle and then you can take the ends to meet the middle. However, with ribbon, because it's so flexible, by meeting the two edges together, pinching, taking your scissors and on an angle, cut upward, right? You will have a nice banner for your ribbon to put on your card. So then you can see, here was card number 2 that I was making. And then I went to try to show you how I tied the bow, and I guess because the box, I'm very limited and I couldn't get my fingers around the baker's twine nicely to show you how I did the ribbon, but to tie a bow. So that'll be a whole nother day. But you can see that the baker's twine is dapper denim to match the card, and they do suggest in the instructions for you to tie it around the top. They give you a nice big spool of it, so you have plenty to make with your cards. And I'm going to put it off to the right like they suggest. And then I'm just going to take my sentiment, and you'll see I'm going to put some dimensionals on the back of it. Let me just move it over just a little bit more. I don't want my sentiment to cover it. And then you're going to use dimensionals to pop it up. And there's your cute little card. Again, see, this is the one that I finished with the dimensionals that are popped up. Super cute, right? Look at how cute that is. Let me stand it up for you so you can see. So cute with the gold flecks of polka dots on there. Love it. I hope that was helpful in cutting your ribbon. Have a good day.